What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable and use force click on your Apple Magic Trackpad. Open up your system settings. On the left hand side, navigate to the trackpad section. From here, make sure you're in the point and click section and then enable force click and haptic feedback. This will allow you to use force click. Click on any word once and then click again with slightly more force. After enabling the dictionary, you will see this additional menu pop up. This allows you to look up words, use Siri, show related images, or open a suggested website related to this word. You can also use force click to open Quick Look without having to use the spacebar. This works on any file that supports Quick Look, such as documents, images, videos, and so on. Force click also allows you to preview maps, flight details, and calendar events. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.